Hello dear little kids. How you all are? I hope everybody is fine and safe at home. Children, to continue with the study, we have to start chapter number 5, Food and Homes of Animal. But I will be explaining you first the different homes of animals. For that, I have made a very creative and interesting model which you are going to like and enjoy and study also. So let's get started. Children, so we will start with the natural homes of animals. Here it's a view of a forest wherein there are different types of shelters made by different animals. And some animals are naturally found in this forest. So let us start with the first shelter, that is a nest. You all know birds build nest. For that they use the dried leaves, straws, twigs and they make their shelter called as nest. These nests are used to lay eggs which and to protect themselves from harsh weathers. So nest protect the eggs and the young ones from the harsh weather. Now let us move on to the next tree. Here on this tree you can see a shelter called as hive. Now this shelter is built by the busy insect called honeybees. These honeybees starts collecting the whole day the nectars from the different flowers and they deposit here in this shelter. After few months or years we can obtain honey from these hive. So the home of these bees is called as hive. Here on the same tree you can see another nest wherein you can see few eggs also. So this is laid by the bird. Now let us move to the another type of shelter called as web. This is made by the spider. The spider spins the web. The juice from the spider mouths help this web to be spinned and the insects get trapped in this web and later on the spider eats away the insect. So it's a shelter made by the spider and this shelter is called as web. Let us see some natural shelters of the different animals. Here the shelter you can see is a den. In this den, the lion or the tiger stay in the den. This is actually the part found with the cave-like structures, or we can say cave. So it is called as den. The another natural home of this monkey is trees. The monkeys are found on the branches of the trees. So the natural home of the monkeys are the trees. Here you can see the monkey hanging on the branch of a tree. Now let us move to the another part of the forest which is very dense. And this dense forest, here you can see different animals like rhinos, elephants, zebras and giraffe. They are found, these are the wild animals which are found in very dense forest. So it's a natural home of all the wild animals, that is the forest. Now here you can see the polar region. The polar region is entirely covered by ice. The polar bears are found in these areas. The entire body of the polar bear is covered with the white fur which protects them from cold. Now we have to move to the another natural home of the animal, that is the pond, children. Here in this pond you can see fish and small creatures. These fishes are also found in the another water bodies like rivers, oceans and lakes. So in this we have studied about the different kinds of shelters. Once again, let's take a view of this forest and the different shelters made by the animals. Thank you children. Hope you enjoyed this video.